Hello friends, my name is Dr. Anuj Khandelwal. I am a consultant psychiatrist and psychotherapist in Kiran Hospital. Yesterday we all heard about the saddening news of suicidal death of Sushant Singh Rajput. He was an upcoming star and doing very well in his career. But what we don't know is that he was struggling with depression since past 6 months. So we should think about the narrative going about depression in our society. We are losing people time and now due to depression and suicide. The narrative about depression in society usually is that it is not illness, it's a weakness. It's just thoughts, but no neurochemical imbalance in the brain. And this is because of which people are not able to talk about the mental pain. People are not able to talk about what's going on, what are the negative thoughts they are dealing with every day in their life. I see people coming to my clinic with a number of other problems like headache, multiple body pains, not able to sleep in the night. But during the interview, I come across all the negative thoughts they have been dealing with, all the suicidal ideations they have been having since past say many years, but they are not able to talk about it to other people. This is because they feel ashamed inside that what other people might be thinking about it, what the society might be thinking about it. While I disclose this thing to the relatives, they think that it cannot happen to my child, it cannot happen to him. These are just some thoughts. And sometimes even the reaction is, आप क्या बोल रहे हैं, मेरा बच्चा पागल है? Means basically the people, we as a society are not able to understand depression properly. Depression is not just thoughts, it's the mental pain which the patient is going through, and this is because of the neurotransmitter imbalance in the brain. We need to understand it's not weakness, but it's the illness which is going on in the mind. It's the illness of the mind. Like we are having diabetes, blood pressure, physical pain. Similarly, mental pain is as real as physical pain. Just because we are not able to see air, do we say that we are not breathing air? No, it is not like that. Similarly, mental pain is very real. Mental illnesses are very real, and we need to address it properly so that we can avoid such kind of suicides of our people, the people around us, and we are able to live happily in life. So anytime if you are facing with excessive negative thoughts, excessive maybe suicidal ideations, maybe not able to sleep, talk it openly. Take a helping shoulder and talk to him. And as a listener, please provide a listening ear to the person if talking about mental pain. And if required, visit a psychiatrist for help. If helped at a correct time, we can avoid such miserable deaths of other people, of the loved ones in our life. Thank you.